Welcome back. Let us continue. First question. In how many different ways can the letters of the word fight be arranged? Okay. Here there are 5 letters. That is, it has got 5 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in the first place, you can arrange with any of these letters. F, I, G, H, T. So it can be filled in 5 different ways. For example, let us take G for the first place. So the remaining letters are F, I, H, T. So in the second place, we can fill with 4 letters. If I take I here, we can fill third place with any of these 3 letters, F, H, T. So it is 3. Similarly, in the next 2 places, we can fill 2 and 1. Therefore, this word fight can be arranged in 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 ways. This is nothing but 5 factorial ways. So which is equal to 120. Therefore, the word fight can be arranged in 120 ways. The answer is option C. Here we have to make sure that no letters are repeating. If some letters are repeating, we have to follow a different method, which we will see in the next question. Okay. Next question. In how many different ways can the letters of the word present be arranged? So if you see here, there are 7 letters in this word. Therefore, the number of spacing is n is equal to 7. And if all the letters are distinct, we can write this in n factorial ways. That is 7 factorial ways. But 2 letters are repeating. That is 2 E's are repeating. So it means there are 2 spaces here which can be written in 2 factorial ways. So this is getting waste because when 2 E's are placed here, both represent the same word, whether it is in the first or second. Therefore, the answer is n factorial divided by 2 factorial because E is repeating 2 times. Therefore, this is written as 7 factorial by 2 factorial. This is nothing but 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 divided by 2 into 1. This will get cancelled. Therefore, the answer is, we can multiply 5 4s are 20, 6 3s are 18. 18 into 20 is 360. So, answer is 7 into 360. 6 7s are 42, 2, 4, 3 7s are 21. 21 plus 4, 25. We shall add this 0 here. So, answer is option D, 2570. Whenever the letters are repeating, we have to simply divide the number of arrangements possible divided by the repeating letters factorial. That is, for example, if it is 2 E's, then you can write this as 2 factorial. If it is 3 E's present, then you can divide by n factorial by 3 factorial. If there are 2 letters, for example, if there are 2 R's present, then it will be n factorial by 2 factorial into 2 factorial. That is, this is for 2 E's and this is for 2 R's. So this is how you have to find out the number of different ways the letters of the word can be arranged. So the answer is option D, 2520. Next question. In how many different ways can the letters of the word banana can be arranged? Here if you see, the number of spaces are 6 and A is repeating 3 times, N is repeating 2 times. Therefore, the answer is n factorial, that is 6 factorial divided by 3 factorial into 2 factorial. It means 3 spaces are getting waste and 2 spaces are getting waste. That is, if it is coming like this, then this combination is getting waste and here it is n. When it is coming like this, these 2 spaces are getting waste. So we have to divide by that many number of factorials. So answer is 6 factorial by 3 factorial into 2 factorial. This is nothing but 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 divided by 3 into 2 into 1 into 2 factorial, that is 2 into 1. So this will get cancelled here. 2 will be cancelled here. So 6 5s are 30, 30 into 2, 60. So the answer is option A, 60. Okay. Next question. In how many different ways can the letters of the word design can be arranged so that the vowels are at the 2 ends? Okay. There are 6 letters here. Therefore, there are 6 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So vowels are at the two ends. The vowels are E and I. Therefore, it can be E, I at the first and last space, or I and E in the first and last space. So there are two ways of writing vowels at the end, and the intermediate regions are having only 4 spaces, and the 4 letters are D, S, G, N. All 4 are distinct. This can be written in 4 factorial ways. Therefore, the answer is 4 factorial into 2. This inner 4 letters can be written in 4 factorial ways, and the extreme end vowels can be written in 2 ways. Therefore, the answer is 4 factorial into 2, which is equal to 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 4s are 16, 16 into 3 is 48. The answer is option D, 48. Answer is option D. Next question. In how many different ways can the letters of the word digest be arranged so that the vowels are never together? Here the vowels are I and D, and they can be never together. It means it cannot have the combination of IE or EI together. Okay. So we shall find out the combinations of vowels coming together and subtract that from the total possible arrangement. Okay. So vowels together. So this will be equal to, it can be either IE or EI. First we shall take this combination IE. So when the vowels are coming together, that is in the form of IE, then the total number of arrangement is n is equal to 5. This means the arrangement will be 5 factorial, because the total number of spaces are 6 and IE is considered as a single entity. This is single entity. Therefore, the net arrangement is n is equal to 5 and the number of ways are 5 factorial. This is equal to 120. This is for IE. For EI, then the arrangement is equal to another 5 factorial. This is 120. Therefore, the total is 240. So vowels together can be formed in 240 ways. Next, what is the total number of ways these 6 letters can be formed? That is, arrangement is equal to 6 factorial. This is nothing but 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. This is 6 into 5 factorial is 120. Therefore, it is 720. So, vowels never together is equal to 720 minus this answer, that is 240. So, this is equal to, answer should be 480, because all the last digits are other than 0. So, answer is option B, 420. Here we have to find out the possible combinations with vowel together, that is coming around 240, and the net possible combinations, that is 6 factorial, that is equal to 720. So, vowels never together will be equal to 720 minus 240, which is 480. Let us stop here and continue in the next video. Thank you.